Master the future perfect tense. A journey into time. Hello, language explorers. In today's session, we will be diving into the future perfect tense. It's one of those areas of English grammar that might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. We'll be unraveling its mysteries step by step, helping you master the use of this important tense. So, let's get started. The future perfect tense is used to express an action that will have been completed, finished or perfected, at some point in the future. This tense is constructed with two components: the future tense of the verb, to have, will have, and the past participle of the main verb. Here's an example. By the time you arrive, I will have finished cooking. Notice how this sentence indicates that the action of finishing cooking will be complete before another action, your arrival. Let's take a look at some more examples to understand this concept more deeply. In 5 years, I will have worked here for a decade. In this example, the speaker is projecting into the future and stating that they will reach a certain milestone, working for a decade, in the coming 5 years. Another example could be, you will have become an expert by the time you finish this course. Here, the speaker is expressing confidence that the listener will achieve a certain level of expertise upon completion of the course. Just like other tenses, the future perfect can also be used in negative sentences and questions. For a negative sentence, we just add not, between, will, and have. For example, by the end of the year, I will not have read all these books. In questions, the subject and will swap places. For example, will you have finished your homework by dinner time? And that's a wrap on our journey into the future perfect tense. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. Keep working on it, and soon, you'll be using the future perfect tense like a pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next English grammar adventure.